So if you are trying to download or use FX console on your Mac, so you just Google FX console, click on the link, you scroll down, you download the file. It comes in as a zip file, so you would see this file. When you open the file, you have this. So when you open this, you see this, then you show package content, click on content, click on resources. You would find this. You move this to your application, and the idea is to move it here, then move it to plugins. So after you've done that, you restart your After Effects. I have a payment issue with mine, but yeah, new project, and once you just control and space bar, that's the default. Here you have it. A quick fix. Thanks guys. Like and subscribe.